The fact that there is no maximum number as of the recording of this video of digital stores that we can create means that we can create a second site on any domain that we have associated with our Systeme.io account. And so even if you do have a digital store already, we can then go to this website tab. We can then go to the digital stores tab. We can give that store a name. And once we have our name, if we click inside this area, Systeme will give us a name, which we can edit if we want, or we can leave the URL the way it is if we like it. We can then click Save. And our new store will then be available. We can click the View command. That store will then be available on the web, even though it has not been customized or edited. That means then that we have our store on the same domain as any previous work that we have done. So we click on a previous element and we click on the view. We'll see any previous stores that we have created. Now again, as of recording on this video, there is no maximum number that you can create, even though that could change in the future. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.